Welcome to another episode of The Daily Spark. In the last few episodes, we talked a lot about thinking of AI as a member of your team. Whether it's human to human collaboration or AI collaboration, there's one thing that really matters. It's like the secret ingredient, if you will, and that is building trust, building under each other. As we integrate AI more deeply into our teams, it's going to be natural to encounter challenges, both logistical challenges, but also like emotional challenges as well. Some people may feel very apprehensive about their new team member and the role that maybe it's playing on the team, while other people might be like questioning its reliability and authenticity and accuracy. And all of these are valid. But this episode is really about navigating some of these challenges to be able to help people on your team build a trusting relationship with AI, but also at the same time be able to understand its capabilities and its limitations. Remember, a key theme this week: we're all great at something, but we're not great at everything. And we shouldn't criticize, whether it's people or our AI tools, for things that they really shouldn't be doing in the first place or they're just not good at. In any team, remember, trust is built through understanding each other's strengths and weaknesses. And so the more we do that, that's really where that empathy importance comes into play. With AI, this means remembering and kind of knowing what it can and cannot do and balancing our expectations accordingly. So today, I want you to imagine that you're leading a team where AI is a new addition and there's a mix of maybe both curiosity, skepticism, excitement amongst all the different people in your organization as they kind of embrace this like new member of the team. The challenge that you might deal with is really how do you overcome some of the misconceptions people have about AI, addressing maybe fears of, is it going to replace me? And helping them really better understand how it can be a really valuable asset in the overall workflow. Your goal is to be able to create an environment where AI is trusted and seen as a reliable and really valuable member of the team without people feeling threatened about their own roles, which in turn allows the entire team's overall capability to like skyrocket. Our ideal outcome and the results we're looking for is a cross-collaborative team that is leveraging AI strengths while also compensating for its limitations, recognizing where it's good, where it's not good, and how that interplay kind of works together to be able to, again, have better outcomes. So, for example, if there is resistance to using AI for, let's say, data analysis, because it's like, well, how do I know it's going to do it correctly? Is there a way to be able to build confidence and trust amongst the person and the AI tool? If people feel threatened by AI, can you help them maybe reframe their thinking? This is actually one of the first GPTs that I built, and I'll link it for you in the show notes so you can try it. But mindset, I always say, is the biggest barrier. And this GPT that I built basically allows you to put in any negative thought or idea, any frustration, and it just gives you a different perspective and reframes your thinking into something more positive. So in wrapping up, as always, there'll be a prompt for you in the show notes for you to edit, personalize, copy, and paste to be able to actually look at how AI can help you create a strategy where you can get some ideas and strategies for how to build more trust amongst AI and the humans on the team that you are building within your organization. Remember, this process is an ongoing one. It is going to require clear communication, realistic expectations, and of course, a willingness to adapt. AI is really here, like I always say, to augment, not replace, and really being able to understand that, but also being able to identify the skills you need to make that real for you is what this is all about. So until next time on your Daily Spark, I really want you to be able to embrace this journey and think about building trust with not just you and AI, but also within your team and how they're responding to AI, so that the collaboration dynamics that you are building on your team are giving you the outcomes that you had hoped for when you first introduced this technology. So as always, please share your stories, your questions, your comments about any ideas you'd like to hear or ways in which you have been using the Daily Spark.